Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. I'm about to get my workout in. It's also weigh-in day. Like, I don't know why I don't feel like I want to weigh in today, but I'm going to weigh in because that's just what I need to do. But I just feel like my food or something hasn't digested all the way yet, and I don't know. Maybe because I didn't get that third workout in by Friday like I normally do, and I'm feeling like whatever. But our son wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I couldn't work out yesterday. But I'm about to do a workout today, and I will still weigh in today. I'll just give it a little bit of time so my body can rest. And I will be fasting this whole time. Technically, it's not the end of my fasting window anyways. I still have a little bit of time. And that's normally when I like to weigh myself, at the end of my fasting window. Although sometimes I do it earlier. So I'll get back with you guys and let you know how the rest of like my week was really in a moment. And then we'll get on the schedule. Today is Sunday. Today is the first day of week 4. So I'm about to do a virtual class. I'm gonna try to get my husband to record me working out a little bit for you guys so you can kind of see some of the moves that I'm doing. And I will see you guys in a little while. So I just wanted to show you guys a few of the exercises that I do. I did this on Sunday. So I added these few clips in there. And then we are going to move on to the food. Okay guys, so my workout is done. I feel like I'm dying still, but I got it done. So that's the most important thing. This week, okay, so let me catch you guys up on this week. So this week was pretty good. Water, no, negative. Still did not get to a gallon of water a day. I'm gonna try again next week. It's hard. I promise you, it's hard. I know that water is one of the best things for you guys and for us, you know, period. But drinking a gallon of water a day is hard. And some of these people out here make it look so easy. I mean, I've had the big jugs with the keep going. You're halfway there. 10 more gallons. Like, come on now. I've had all of that. It don't. No. If anything, that big gallon jug just deters me even more because you take big gulps and you sip, and you look and you realize like there's barely any water missing. Why is the water not going down? You know? And at that point, I'm already lost. So I just have to figure it out. Hey, with the bottles, you know, to have enough bottles of water in a day. But yeah, I'll just have to figure that out. So the water, guys, no. I'm gonna get on the scale shortly, so we'll see the weight. And yeah, you know, we gotta do that. And eating, I did good this week with the eating, you know. Eating, I actually have a meal that I made this week. I made this fettuccine. It's like a healthier fettuccine alfredo with grilled chicken and broccoli that I made this week. And y'all, when I tell you, keto friendly, so good, like it's not even funny. I'm gonna insert that so you guys can see like a realistic type of meal for dinner that I make. I made that this week. It was very tasty, very good. You can tweak it to how you like it, you know, but I am going to show you guys in here how I made that. And then afterwards, of course, we're going to hop on the scale. Other than that, intermittent fasting, besides yesterday, I feel like maybe I ate an hour past my window and I was drinking water beyond that point. But other than that, like, you know, you can drink water while you're in, you know, during your fasting window. But I just find when I drink a lot of water at night, Yeah, no, it's like not that good for me. It's like my body is still holding on to that water that next day. So if I go to hop on the scale, it's almost usually like I see that water, but we'll see what happens today. Okay, but let me show you guys the meal that I made. Okay, so I'm starting up by chopping this onion and some broccoli into these sized pieces, adding a little bit of olive oil, and then we are going to add the onions and a few mushrooms. Let's season this grilled chicken breast, or this chicken breast, a little bit of Italian seasoning. You can tweak this how you like. Rubbing it in on both sides. And a little bit of lemon pepper. And in that first clip also, guys, everything that I'm using was in there. A little bit of garlic and herb and onion powders. Get that in real good. Add it to the skillet and make sure you saute those vegetables a little bit. We're going to add slits to this chicken breast. We have the broccoli going on the side. Flip that over. And then we're going to add in our spaghetti noodles. Pop it in the microwave for about 1 minute. While that's happening, going to take that chicken breast out. Put it to the side. Add some butter. Get those noodles out. Add about 4 servings of heavy cream, a little bit of sea salt, and pepper. Ground pepper tastes better, but I just had regular. Give it a quick little stir, and that's what we're left with. Put everything together, and then let's give it a taste. It's hot. It's so good though, but it's hot. We hop on the scale, okay? You're on the scale. Go ahead and get on there. 204.8. I will take it. You know, share the video. I really appreciate you guys for staying in tune with me for this journey. Bye.
Bye.